Hey there, this is Workbench from Workbench Quagmire. We are on day 9 of the Free Code Camp Python certification in 100-ish days series I'm doing here. And today we are going to look at this Build a Discount Calculator lab. Let's just jump right in and see what we got going on here. Oh, this is different. I don't think we've done one of these yet. So in this lab, you'll write a function that calculates the final price of an item after applying a percentage discount. For example, if the price of the item is 50 and a discount of 20 is applied, the discount amount is 10. For example, if the price of an item is 50 and a discount of 20 is applied, the discount amount is 10 and the final price is 40. Oh, so this is a percentage. This is very confusing. I'm like, well, 50 minus 20 is 30. No, it's 20%. Okay. Fill the user story below to complete the lab. I kind of like these because it's, each one of these bullet points is just like something you do, and you get to the end and you've got something built. So it should go relatively quickly today. Let's go. So define a function named apply discount. Define, apply, discount. We're gonna, if you remember, you could use the pass keyword so we don't get that error. So if you look over here in the terminal, we have an error right now because it's an indentation error. There's no block of code below it, so it doesn't know what's going on. Still doesn't know what's going on. But if you put pass in, it's like, oh, okay, it's just an empty function. So the apply discount function should take exactly two parameters, price and discount. So if we go up here, remember, we put our parameters inside the parentheses. I did that backwards. These are our parameters. Price. If price is not a number, the function should return a string. The price should be a number. So if so to do this, we got to check for two things. And here's a dead giveaway. Or, so if price is what was our is instance. Here we go. Price int. We're just going to do this and return the price is a number. So let's go down here and see if we can test this out. Say apply discount. And then we're going to call it with and we're going to make this the string 10. Applied this count is not a play. Okay. Price. There we go. Fixing things as we go here. Is instance arg2 must be a type. Let's see if we we have to print the output of the return statement. None. So if we change this to print for the time being, Yep, we are missing the parentheses. We are not returning anything. Oh, I've got the logic wrong here. This is fun. There we go. So now if we go down here, there we go. So isInstance is going to return a Boolean value. In this case, we're giving it a price, which is a string, and we're comparing it to int, so it should be false. But this will only run if we have true. So we have to use not as an inverter to give this overall condition that in the if statement, the value of true. So we say is not an instance int. Then we also had or not is instance price float. And so now if we go in here and put 10.1, price should be a number. What is going on? Okay. What's our instruction say here? Price is not an int or a float. The function should return a string. Let's do this. We use our good friend pass here. Let's make this a return value again. There we go. Okay. It should be a number, so not sure what I'm doing wrong here. I'm learning with you. Oh. We forgot to take our inverter out. Is instance price int or, so there we get none. So when we make this a string, there we go. All right. So we've applied the discount. We've created with two parameters, price and discount. Price is not a number. Enter float. The function should return. The price should be a number. If the discount is not a number, it should return a string. The discount should be a number. So basically, we could actually take this entire chunk of code here and copy it and put it here. Make this discount, this discount, and then says the discount should be a number. So discount here. So we're not getting anything. So if we make this a string, There we go. Let's make them bowstrings and see what happens. It's only going to return the first one, right? So once you return something from a function, the rest of the function does not run. I don't believe. Can't quite remember, but generally, once you return something, you're out of the function. So it's going to look at the price first and say, hey, the price is a number. Once you correct that, then it's going to say the discount is not a number. And then once you do that, it's going to return none because we haven't given anything to return if we're successful. So now if price is less than or equal to 0, the function should return a string saying the price should be greater than 0. A lot of ifs. A lot of ifs going on in here. If price is less than or equal to 0, print return the price should be greater or equal to 0. So we can test that out now. Let's put some spaces in here. 0. There we go. The discount is less than or greater than 100. Is less than 0 or greater than 100. The function should return a string saying the discount should be between 0 and 100. So again, another if statement here. Yes. Less than 0 or discount greater than 100. Return. Discount should be between 0 and 100. So let's test that out now. 110 minus 10. 0 works. 100 works. So there we go. If both inputs are valid, the function should calculate the discount as a percentage of the price. The function should return a final price after applying the discount. So our final thing here is to return price minus price times discount divided by 100. So as you can see here, 10 with a 10% discount is 9. 100 with a 10% discount is 90. I use these numbers so they're easy. So that looks like it's doing everything we want. I'll comment that out just to see if it, make sure it doesn't here's our test. Let's see what happens. Hey, we did it. Some struggles, we did it. So, all right. So that completes what we were going to do today. So next time we'll do this build a Caesar cipher workshop, or at least part of it. That one we may end up breaking into 2. We're well ahead of schedule here. We're going to get done in 100-ish days, I think. Once we get down here, I think that these are going to take multiple days to complete. So we will make sure we have plenty of time for that. But right now, I think we're doing pretty good. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. What could I be doing better? What did you not understand? Am I talking too fast? Which I think I am. Trying to get better at this. So leave me some creative criticism or some creative criticism, anyway, help me improve. I'll see you tomorrow for our Build a Caesar Cipher workshop. See you then.